I'm super nervous. I wouldn't be here if I didn't think I could do it. I mean, my expectation is that I'm gonna make it. It might be ugly as hell, but it's my turn to do a kickflip. We're here today because I have been challenged to do a kickflip. It will be my first one since I broke my femur in March. I haven't tried to flip my board. I've set my foot up and pondered it, and I couldn't get myself to lean over it enough to even try. I tried to do one, you know, the old like hands on the table thing. It flipped halfway and my leg felt like it dislodged from my body again. So I can't be sure exactly what happened when I got hurt, but I did a McTwist. I didn't have enough speed, and I think that I landed on the wall before I was ready. Next thing I know, I'm sliding across the flat bottom with my leg pointing the other direction, and I could just feel it disconnected. How do I feel? There's this sense of fear and weakness. I'm scared. The idea of doing a kickflip and actually moving my leg fast, sliding it out, super scary. I want to get it out of my system. I want to get over that milestone. I'm not able to ollie on flat very well yet. I ollied over a parking block. It was so hard. The first time I tried to ollie over a parking block, my knee slid out. I can skate vert, I know. That seems weird, but I know how to knee slide. That's a good flick, right? Is that fast enough? Okay, moment of truth. When I am faced with putting all my weight on this leg, there's this sense of fear and weakness. I'd rather just walk up the stairs and drop in and try an air. That would be way more comfortable. Okay, let's see what happens there. I haven't ollied in like a month, so it's not conducive to a kickflip. The hardest thing, honestly, for me in this time frame of my recovery is pushing, because I have to have my leg bent. It starts shaking, so my push is all dainty. And that was actually better than it usually is. That's right where I broke my leg. Right there on that panel. This is sort of my redemption. Okay, fuck it, let's do it. There you go, that was my first attempt. I'm pretty excited about that, I'm not gonna lie. Like when I tell people how to kickflip, I always say, commit to the landing, don't let your foot go off to the side, and I just did that. Here we go. You know, being a vert skater with an already terrible kickflip combined with this injury, it's not gonna be pretty, but here we go. I'm way more nervous than the last time I tried a 9. Okay, do a kickflip. That's what I pictured happening when I was going to sleep last night. I imagined that. And my leg's getting tired. No! You guys should have come on Friday, first try Fridays. You don't understand the turmoil in my head right now. What little flick I had has gone dormant. Dude, I knew it was gonna be hard, but I didn't think it would be this much effort. My leg isn't cooperating now. Come on. I usually have to walk all the way up the stairs to try my trick again. I'm like digging deep into my vert experience higher on the wall. I never thought I'd have to relearn kickflips on video. This is skateboarding. Dude, I'm getting there. won't hurt. Ah! That was it. That was a knee slide to keep it real. I wish I was just playing this up for drama for you, but okay, here we go. Hey Tony, do a kickflip. Yes! Yes! That's it, dude. That's my celebration. Fuck, dude, that was rough. All right, thanks for the challenge. Appreciate it. I know it wasn't pretty. I know it was super mob and super vertical, but I'm so thankful to get that out of my system. This is a big step forward, and I'm the one that says do a kickflip.